Hi everyone! Sa ngayon tignan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. I'm sensing na pupunan ng Diyos ang iyong pangailangan. I feel like this is with regards to money concerns. So we have addict in reverse. So isa sa rason kung ba't nyo ito gagawin dahil iba sa inyo ay you let go of something na hindi nakakabuti for you. See, speaking of, we have the out. We also have the sun in reverse. So, baka nangyari dito is nagkaroon ka ng realization na whatever this thing is, hindi yung nagpapaligaya sa iyong buhay. And I feel like God is definitely granting your wish. So, if ever you're wishing na maalis sa ganitong addiction, it will happen definitely. Okay? You will have this realization. So, we have this one, cautious or caution. So, we have the memories in either way. So, maging aware ka sa mga napagdaanan mo sa buhay. So, I feel like this is with regards to the Mercury retrograde that's upcoming, which is on February 26. Okay, up to March 20. It will happen. At sa mga panahon na yon, madalas maalala natin yung mga nakaraan at yung ibang mga past sa tao sa ating buhay. Sometimes dumarating during those period. Madalas aalala natin din sila. So that will definitely happen, especially if you need healing work to do. So let's see what else. So we have the heart in either way. We also have the ginger in reverse. So I have a feeling na yun nga, ma-overwhelm kayo sa iyong matatandaan with regards sa memories dito na gusto nyo na ng kalimutan talaga, ayaw nyo na matandaan. Kaya siya in either way, okay? Kasi yung life mo before siguro ay hard and now that you're living in this easy life, suggestion ng Panginoon for you is that don't tell anyone about what you're going through in social media kasi hindi lahat ng tao ay maunawaan yung nararamdaman mo, lalo na yung mga tao na hindi napagdaanan kung ano man yung napagdaanan mo. We have the cold sea, because if you mention about it, then you will discover some people that are definitely cold-hearted, which is sad. Okay, we have the mask in reverse. We also have the let go. So more likely about letting go. I feel na for some of you, this is with regards sa case about sa mga tao sa paligid na cold-hearted towards you. Honestly, or maybe, meron kang past memory na showing na may tao sa iyong buhay na hindi talaga mabuti, talagang cold-hearted. So, it's kind of like decluttering people that doesn't resonate with you, and also letting go of something that's not healthy for you. I'm sensing na kailangan mo itong pagdaanan, and then, the doors will open towards that abundance na nasense ko kanina. If ever you actually did this already, so ibig sabihin lang no, na there will be a door that will open for you to have that abundance. Okay, but yet, you remember that you really have to let go of whatever this is that's holding you back from being successful, from being happy. At kung hindi man yan about dito sa bagay na to, can be there's a person in your life that doesn't make you happy. So, anyway, sa ngayon umuulan. Anyway, guys, happy Valentine's Day pala sa inyo. Valentine's Day nung ginawa ko tong reading. So, sana maging masaya yung Valentine's nyo. Enjoy nyo lang kahit na maulan. I'm not sure if sa area nyo ay maulan din. Pero as of now, it's kinda like a rainy Valentine's here. Okay, so enjoy everyone and God bless all of you.